Students, I Manos sir. Today in this class, I will discuss the exercise of chapter 1 for those students who are reading in class 7 and follow the book ICSE Understanding Computer Studies chapter 1 Computer Hardware Component Exercise Solution. So first question is there, choose the correct option. In this section, question 1, which of the following is not a hardware? Mouse, random access memory, keyboard, operating system. Answer will be operating system. What is the reason behind this answer? Because operating system is a system software, rest of all are hardware. Question 2, which of the following devices is used in transfer data from source to destination over internet? Options are thumb drive, RAM, ROM, modem. The answer will be option 4, modem. The answer will modem because a modem converts analog signal to digital signal and vice versa, facilitating the transfer of data between devices through the internet. Question 3, which of the following is not an operating system? MSC, UNIX, Unix, Linux, Linux, and Microsoft. Answer will be Microsoft. Because Microsoft is the name of the company founded by Bill Gates that creates Windows and DOS operating system. Question 4, what is the full form of SMPS? Option 1, simple machine power supply, simple motor power supply, switched mode power supply, system mode power supply. Answer will be option 3, switched mode power supply, because SMPS or switched mode power supply provides regulated power to the computer system. Question 5, which of the following is not an application software? MS Word, Android, MS Excel, Notepad. Answer will be the Notepad because answer will be the Android, because Android is an operating system, hence it is a system software. Rest of all are application software. Fill in the blanks. Next question, fill in the blank. Question 1, a computer system coordinates between hardware and dash. Answer will be software. Question 2, a computer is a dash data processing machine. Option will be electronic data processing machine. Question 3, the CPU is considered to be the dash of a computer system. Answer will be brain. Orthat that CPU is considered to the brain of a computer system. Question 4, hardware and software are complementary to each other. Question 5, a dash is the smallest unit of memory which represent a character in a computer. Answer will be byte. Question 6, a set of computer programs with the help of which the system works is known as dash. Answer will be obviously software. Question 7, ROM, read-only memory, does not allow new information to be written on it. Answer will be ROM. Question 8, serial port is used to supply data serially. Fill in the blank. Serial port. Question 9, dash memory is known as an auxiliary memory of the computer system. Answer will be secondary. Question 10, ports are the connecting nodes to interface the peripheral devices with the processor. Answer will be ports. Next question, write down the full form of the following. Question 1, ALU. Answer will be arithmetic and logic unit. Question 2, ROM. Answer will be read only memory. And question 3, BIOS, BIOS. Answer will be basic input output system. Question 4, POST. Answer will be power on self test. Question 5, DVD. Answer will be digital versatile or video discs. Question 6, SMPS. Answer will be switched mode power supply. Question 7, USB. Answer will be universal serial bus. Question 8, CMOS. Answer will be complementary metal oxide semiconductor. Next question, label the block diagram. Here is a block diagram given. Label the given block diagram to depict the basic organization of a computer system. So answer will be arithmetic and logic unit, first part of the CPU, arithmetic and logic unit, and primary memory and control unit, and left side input and right side output and secondary memory. Then name the following. Question 1, two application softwares. Two application software, any of two application software. Here I write MS Paint and Microsoft Excel. Question 2, two system software. Answer Windows 10, Linux. Question 3, four major parts of computer system. Answer central processing unit, memory, input and output. Question 4, two types of primary memory. Answer random access memory and read-only memory. Question 5, two input hardware. Input device. Actually input device, here keyboard and mouse and scanner. Question 6, two communication ports. Answer serial port and parallel port. Question 7, two secondary memory unit. Answer hard disk and optical disk. Question 8, three components of CPU. Answer will be input unit, central processing unit and output unit. Here are some questions that about case study based question. Question 1, the hardware components present inside a computer are called internal hardware. The descriptions of some of the internal components are given below. This device is one of the most useful, reliable and popular secondary storage device that consists of number of circular metallic plates and coated with iron oxide. This component is small box placed in the back of computer's cabinet that provides regulated power to the computer system. Question 3, these components is printed circuit board that contain processor, integrated circuit, that is IC chips, memory devices and other hardware components. Question D, they are the connecting nodes used to connect the peripheral devices with the processor. Identify and write the name of devices prescribed above A, B, C and D. Answer will be first answer for question A, hard disk. Answer for question B, SMPS or switched mode power supply. Answer for question C, motherboard. And last answer for question D, communication ports. Next, short answer questions. Question 1, define system software. What is the system software? System software is a set of one or more programs designed to control the operations of a computer system. They support the running of other software and communicate with the peripheral devices. For example, operating system. Question 2, define the term hardware with an example. Hardware refers to the machinery and to the various components and equipment of the computer system. It refers to all the physical devices of the computer system. For example, monitor, keyboard, etc. Question 3. Define software. How is it classified? Software refers to a set of computer programs, procedures, and associated documents that describe how the programs are to be used. Actually, software means programs, procedure, and associated documents. It is a collection of programs that aim at enhancing the capabilities of the hardware. Software are classified into two types: system software and application software. Question 4. What is meant by the term memory? What are its types? Memory means answer. Memory is the basic unit of computer where it can store data and instructions. Memory is of two types: primary memory and secondary memory. Next question, differentiate between the following. Question 1. Hardware and software. Hardware and software main difference. It is required to store and run a software. A software refers to the programs that enable a computer to task. Hardware starts functioning once a software is loaded. Software is installed on the hardware to drive its instructions. Hardware is physical in nature. Software is logical in nature. There are more chances of failure in hardware devices. Software does not have a failure rate, and hence software can be viewed at the time of execution, and hardware components can be seen and touched. Hardware components can be seen and touched. Question 2. System software and application software. System software is designed to control the operation of a computer system. These programs help in the running of other software. That is, system software helps in the running of other software. For example, Windows 10, Linux. Application software is designed to carry out specific tasks such as creating. These programs allow a computer to perform useful tasks running of the system itself. For example, MS Word. Question 3. Random access memory and read-only memory. Random access memory, data or instruction can randomly be read as well as written onto it. That is, in this type of memory, data will be read and write. The read-only memory, stored information can only be read but never cannot be written onto it. In random access memory, any information stored in it is lost when the power supply is switched off. The information of ROM remains intact even if power supply is switched off. Question 4. Primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer system, whereas secondary memory is the auxiliary memory from where stored data retrieved. Data and instruction get erased as soon as the computer is switched off. But in secondary memory, data or instruction are stored for further use even from computer has been switched off. There are some long answer question. Here question 1. Hardware and software are complementary to each other. Explain. Answer will be, hardware refers to all the visible devices which are assembled together to build a computer system. Software refers to the computer programs that are loaded into the computer system. The blending of software and hardware gives life to a computer system. True hardware is the physical part of a computer. It is nothing unless it has a software to control it. In a way, hardware is like a car without a driver. Software is a set of instructions that tells the hardware what to do and how to perform the requested actions. Hence, both are essential to get the work done. Hardware and software are complementary to each other. Next question. What is modem? What is its type? Explain. A modem is a device that modulates outgoing digital signal from a computer or other digital devices to analog signals. It also demodulates the incoming analog signals and converts them to digital signals for the digital device. Modems are three types. One is internal modem. These are attached to the internal slot of the motherboard. These are categorized as full duplex and half duplex, which are used for fax and internet communication. They can also be used for data and voice communication. Next, external modem. It is a small box connected to the communication port of the computer. A modem that outside of a computer is called external modem. It works similar to the internal modem. The only difference is that it is placed outside the CPU box. USB modem. It refers to any type of data, fax, voice modem devices which can be connected to a computer using the USB port. It looks just like a USB flash drive but is similar in size, but in smaller in size. Question 3. What is meant by the term ports? Explain the different types of ports. Answer will be, ports are the connecting nodes in interface the peripheral devices with the processor. They act as a bridge between the external devices and the CPU for data communication. The different type of ports are follows. Serial ports. It is used to supply data serially, that is bit by bit. It uses a single wire for communication. This port takes much time to transfer data, that is, it transfers a byte in 8 tiers. Serial ports are usually available with 9 pins or 24 pins and allow connection to mouse, modem, etc. Parallel ports. This type of ports is available with a 24 pins female connector and is capable of transmitting 8-bit signals at a time. That is, the bits travels parallel to each other. The transfer rate is 8 times faster than the serial port. This port is basically to connected CD writers, scanners, printers, hard disks, etc. That is, parallel port or parallel port is more faster than serial port, because for each bit there are each parallel lines connected. Then USB port. This port is usually designed to connect printers, plotters, mouse, joysticks, pen drives, digital camera, etc. With a single plug arrangement, it avoids pin configuration of the ports. Next question. Question 4. How the data is recorded on the disk and then retrieved from the hard disk. Explain. Answer will be, the data is recorded on the disk through the read-write head, which Reassemble a record player. The information that comes from the CPU is recorded digitally in the form of 0 and 1 on the disk surface through the read-write head. On the other hand, the information is also retrieved digitally from the disk through the read-write head to the computer system for further processing. Next question, question 5. What are the main function of the CPU? Explain. Central Processing Unit or CPU is the brain of the computer and takes all the major decisions in a computer system. CPU consists of three main components. The function of these components are follows. Arithmetic and Logic Unit ALU. All the arithmetical and logical operations are performed through this unit. An arithmetical operation includes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and logical operation includes all types of comparisons, that is equal, less than equal, greater than equal. Control unit. This unit controls each and every parts of the computer system along with the peripherals. It retrieves data and instruction from the memory and sends the commands to the various parts of the computer system, and the control unit from the control unit generate control signal, and this control signal control all the peripheral devices and that control unit itself. Memory unit. This unit provides space for storing data, instruction, intermediate results and final results. Thank you students.